it's Bree, and welcome back to the Dragon's Army. We are playing some Surgeon Simulator, I believe. This one is called Operate Now, Ear Surgery. We'll be doing a lot, cause, yeah, these things are like really fast. But let's get started. Hello! Meet Billy. Billy has approximately lost 60% of his hearing in his right ear, which causes continuous problems, so Billy has decided to undergo surgery for a cochlear implant device fitted behind his ears so that it can greatly improve his hearing. Okay, doctor, let's get the patient to... It should be one of these rooms. Let's do the ear room. Syringe! Anesthetic! Pull that! Stab his arm. Let's wait for the anesthetic to take a minute. Before we operate, we need to shake this shaving cream canister. Oh god. It's white and creamy. Pick up the razor. Let's shave all of his hair off.
Daddy, that how we activate it and kind of activated.
No hair, Billy. Yeah. Okay, very good, doctor. So let's pick up the marker. Here's the marker. Dang it, I can't draw any wings on his head. Please select the scalpel. Oh crap, I can't speak. Bobby, or cauterizer, or whatever it is.
Well, it's the firewood.
I'll pick up the retractor from the table. Boop, boop. This makes my head crank. Alright, drill.
Well, it's the firewood in my
They're currently drilling a hole inside its head.
Daddy, how do I create firewood in my
This makes my head cringe too. Saving simulator. Stick that in the ear. Oh. Needle. Thread. Did it? Ooh. Now I need the bond paste. Now then, to stitch them back together. Nice work, doctor. I'm sure he'll recover. Mistake 0. Time. Pretty good. Pretty good. We are going to do We are now playing Operate Now, No Surgery. Obviously. Your patient is Ashley. Your patient Ashley is experiencing breathing difficulties due to her deformities in her nasal cavity. Today we're going to surgically reshape Ashley's nose stem through the airflow and resolve the breathing complications. We will also give her more anesthetic support with her nose. Please select the anesthetic mask. Night-night, Ashley. May you have bad dreams. Detractor! This all's new. Let's pick up the scalpel. Yoink. Scissors! Oh. Cauterizer! Bobby cauterizer, this is what I was talking about. Pick up the scalpel once again. Cut it off. Oh. Pick up the tweezers from the table. That's the wrong thing. We need scissors. Ow. Pick up the automaton. Mallet. Doink. Ooh. Ooh. Only if you guys can hear this. Scissors. Wow. Dog bug that's been removed. We need to smooth the edges. Grab the nails. Automaton again. Mallet again. We had to break her bones. Please up the needle so we can needle. Doink. 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 Blood normally doesn't affect me, but this is just making my nose hurt because I've broken my nose once or twice. So, but yay! There. Next game we're playing epilepsy surgery again by Operate Now and on the same website. And I will leave the website's thingamabob. I will leave the website in the description down below if you guys want to play it. So, let's get started. This game contains graphics of surgery. Yes. Made for Maria. Maria has epilepsy, which is causing her to go into surgeries under circumstances. She has tried different treatments and stopped the seizures, but unfortunately, none have been infected or none is dismissed over time, and sometimes it will cause chronic diseases. Surgery is her last treatment option. However, considering her background, we should first perform an EEG. See if Maria is fit for surgery. Okay, doctor, let's go to the EEG room. Please select the electrodes from the table. Good work, doctor. Good, bad. Very good. Now we head into the operating room. It should be one of these rooms. Syringe! I did select the syringe, but oh well. Didn't think that. Oh well. Insert it into the arm. Good work. Now we must wait for the anesthetic to sink in. First we need to cut Maria's hair off. Grab the scissors. Alright, we need to shave off the remaining hair. Shaky, shaky. Now we just gotta slather it with the cream of white stuff. Alrighty, now pick up the razor and shave it off. Shave it off. She will be very mad when she wakes up. Because she will not have hair. Pick up the cotton to remove the shaving cream on her ear. Antiseptic, so we need the tongs, and then cotton ball, and then the antiseptic, and then we paint her hair black. Pick up the marker. Draw on her head. We're ready to make an incision. We need the scalpel. Oh. Oh, okay. Pick up the drill. How many holes are we drilling in her head? 1, 2, 3 holes. Ow. Good work. Now pick up. Are we just gonna draw a line from thing to thing? Yes. And we're gonna move up this head. Nice. Okay. We need the scalpel again. Please pick up the scalpel from the table. Scalpel. Oops, wrong thing. Scissors. Scissors. Cut that off. Ooh. Electroid grid. Scissors. Scalpel. Oh, we're drawing a square on that. Nice. Now we must close here. Pick up the tongs. Throw matter. Needing a hole in the brain. Pick up the needle, thread. Do it. Very slow process. Drill. Drill more holes into her head. There's our marker prints, obviously. Do that. Put that in. Ooh. Place the surgical blades. Place those on all the holes. Obviously. We got screwdriver, screws. And then we do that, and then that, and then we pick up the tongs, replace the scalpel, pin, and then needle it, and thread, and we're almost done. Pick up the bandage. Gotta wrap her up like a mummy. Oh, we can only wrap her head. Dang it. Great done. And I think we're gonna end this episode right here, guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed the time we had. Bye-bye.